People travel from thousands of miles to make Manitoba their home. So today we had our Newcomer Storytelling Cafe. We started with stories, really powerful lived experience stories from 3 Winnipeg newcomer women.
My family fled our country of South Sudan. There was a religious war going on, and our country was no more safe for us to live.
It was an amazing time. Newcomers shared their story, and I could connect with some of them.
The next months were like a fog. My husband and I attended release to inform others what was happening in Ukraine.
I've actually always been looking for an opportunity for, some kind of integration or to see people with similar stories, certainly, integrating into Canada.
Getting into this project of storytelling with other newcomers like me has brought a different sense of fulfillment because we knew we had something in common, being resilient in all the situations, but each of us had our own struggle.
I was born here, so it's good to hear how people came here.
Coming out to the public and hearing and sharing give me strength.
It's touching to know that people who have gone through some things in life, they were helped, they stabilized, and they're helping others.
What do you think would have enhanced you to integrate better?
We also had a group discussion where people like me could share my own story, and I also had other people's story.
In the room, you could sense the spirit, this cacophony of people just engaging and talking with each other and understanding and learning a little bit about each other. I wish I could have been at each one of the tables to hear all the stories.
Oh, it was a fantastic opportunity to get to know community members.
A lifetime of stories ahead of you.
I love this storytelling. I think it's a very good idea because it brings a whole lot of cultures together, and it really tells us how similar we are as a people.
What I hope to see is maybe the people within Selkirk and people outside of Selkirk kind of coming together to help support this idea of newcomer storytelling and community storytelling on a deeper scale. Just that elevating the use of stories as a way to really start building some deep connections with your neighbors.
Selkirk is my home now. It's the home for many new people, and we want to integrate. We want to make this our home. And overall, I want to see a Selkirk where everybody is one big family. It doesn't matter your color or where you're from.